Hello everyone, this is Tim with Discovering the High Life, and I got another FPV flight for you with the DJI Avata. If you're thinking about getting this drone, it's a really fun way to transition from regular drone flying into FPV flying, because you can fly in normal mode, sport mode, or manual mode. I have not put this into manual mode yet. I'm still learning how to fly manual mode on the simulator so I can crash on the simulator and not crash the drone so much. As is, this is a good drone for taking risks, going in tight spots, flying through the trees, and we've still got some fall colors and a little bit of light left, so let's see how we can do. Okay. All right. So for this, I'm really just practicing slow flight, micro movements I'm trying to do. And right now, I don't really know much about FPV. I'm still learning. So all the rates are just the default rates for now. I could go ahead and change those, which I might do to give it a little bit more cinematic control, because what I really want to do is I want to do more kind of like cinematic flight. I don't want to fly into that tree, but I want to do more kind of like slow cinematic moves, like, okay, here's this cool little tree up here, let's show this tree off, stuff like that. Let's just kind of, maybe more just kind of slowly fly through it, slowly fly through this tree. That's kind of what I want to use this for now anyway. Just practicing doing nice slow flights and movements. Like, this is the kind of stuff that I would not attempt with the normal Mavic drone. See, like one little move like that could just take the whole drone down. So I'm looking at my signal, my RC signals. It's starting to get weak, probably because I went around the side of this building. And there's a person there. I don't want to get too close to them. I definitely see them looking. One thing I have not tried yet, I have not tried flying over water. At least not with this drone. Let's check out these trees over here. This looks fun. Oh, let's slow her down. Yeah, this is so cool for me. Just kind of like, just feeling like you're a bird, just weaving through the trees, just surfing around. This is fun. The DJI Avata, it's given me a lot of confidence to try and do things, like I said, that I wouldn't normally attempt with a Mavic drone, because just one little false move could really knock this thing, out of the air, one of the Mavic style drones. Right now, if I could show you my headset, I'm actually losing signal pretty badly in my headset right now, but I still have nice range on the drone itself. See, I don't want to do those jerky moves, so I need to kind of adjust the rates, because I want to just have nice, smooth movements through the trees. Just nice, smooth. Not clipping them though like that. Just nice, smooth movements through the trees. Just kind of surfing through, checking things out like a bird. I don't know, this is really fun. Let me know if you guys think that this stuff is kind of fun. I think that this is super relaxing too. Like, to me, this is like good for my mental health. This is like a nice way just to kind of like detach from the world for a bit. I mean, look how fun this is. Just whee, flying through these trees. Can't wait till next fall. Try and do this like during peak season. Right now it's, we're pretty much at the end of the fall colors, but man, This is a lot of fun. Oops. And it is okay, you know, if we crash. I've crashed a few times. You can go back to my videos and see this thing has not really sustained any damage. It does have a couple little scuffs here and there. And who knows, I might hit a branch today and it may get knocked down. You never know. I mean, that's not what we're trying to do, but it could happen. Should we fly out over the water? Watch my signal over here. I definitely don't want to lose signal over the water. I don't want to get too close to the water either, or have those ducks get scared and knock me out of the sky. Okay, I still have strong RC control from where I'm at, but I am starting to lose my headset signal. So I'm going to turn around and come on back. I'm going to flip this into sport mode so I can go faster. This is super cool. This is such a fun drone to fly. I think it's going to be really awesome once I get into acro mode. Let's see if I can go under the bridge without killing myself. Boink. See, that would have been certain death if I was flying a Mavic drone. Hitting that branch there, that would have certainly knocked me down into the water, like, without a doubt. This is so fun, but now I'm starting to lose my HD signal again. So we're gonna swoop on back. This is a trestle bridge, pretty cool. I've actually got one of my other Mavic drones stuck up in these trees before, about 100 feet up. Had to hire a tree trimmer to help me get it back. That was no good. Let's kind of go through these trees here. I'm going to cut it back into normal mode. And kind of tilt my camera down a bit. I know I'm getting close to myself now. Oh, I just heard the drone buzz right over my head. Look at these trees up here. These are cool. Problem is now I might start to get some of these people from these apartments complaining. I saw a drone next to my window. This is the police station here. Probably shouldn't be flying around there too much. Well, City Hall. Police station is there somewhere. Whipping through these two trees here. That was so fun. Just gently gliding on through. So let me know if you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff. You know, just flying the drone and talking about whatever. Another thing that I could do, if you guys want to see sometime, is I could actually record through the headset, and just, if you're interested in seeing what I'm seeing in the headset. How much battery we got? We got 38% battery, so probably gonna have to bring this on home soon. There's nobody in the road right now. This is fun. Can you fly over the road if there's nobody on the road? I think you can. Just kind of surfing through these trees. Whoa. Let's find a way out here. There's a way out. You don't really know what you're getting into when you get into these trees. But it's fun. I'm just pushing through. You see that, guys? We're just pushing through. This is so much fun. So I'm down to 31%. I'm going to bring it back on home here and try and go as smoothly as possible. And bring her on back home. Oh, I saw, clip the leaf there. I saw some shreds go flying up. Where am I at here? Oh, there I am on the park bench. See that? Got some people watching that. That is one thing about this drone versus other drones. This thing is super loud. It is going to draw attention, unfortunately. You know, some of my other drones I've had in the past are much more quiet. I've actually even put the master air screw props on this, and which is supposed to make it, I don't know, 1 dB quieter. I'm not sure if it's actually any quieter or not, but it's something I'm getting. The reason why I did that kind of jerky motion is it said that it braked. Aircraft was braking. Because we are in low battery mode, and so it wanted to go automatically go into return to home mode. So I'm just going to bring it on home now. Whoops, home is actually behind me though. Home is on the other side of this tree. There we go. I'm going to bring it on home and just try to land it on my landing pad. Well, how'd we do? Alright guys, let's see, is this still recording? It is still recording. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you like to see more of these videos? Winter's coming up. I could go fly through the snow, could fly over lakes, whatever you guys want to know. Just follow along my journey here, and eventually we'll get this going into full manual mode. But for now, I'm signing off, and subscribe, like, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.